Hello and welcome to this HTML tutorial for beginners series. If you are new here, feel free to check out the complete course that I linked in the description below. Today we will cover the span element. The span element is nearly the same as the div element. It is, however, not a block element, but is an inline one. This means that a span does not start on a new line and only takes up as much space as its content requires. The span is often used as a container for text and does not give the content it is wrapped around any semantic meaning. A common use for spans is to style parts of a text differently from its surrounding. Let's look at an example. Here I have a blog post. I want to style a few words so that they stand out from the rest of the text. I will put these words and phrases in between span tags, and then I will add a style attribute to the element to specify that the content should be green. If I save this and open the page in the browser, you can see that the text inside the span has a green color. Just to note, it only has this color because I defined a style for these spans. If the styling was missing, they would look like regular text. This is all I wanted to cover in regards to the span element. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. In the next video, I will cover the BR tag. If you are interested in learning web development, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.